Hi and welcome to this instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a GRV for a combined import shipment. Navigate to Creditors, Goods Received Vouchers, then to enter combined import shipment. Enter the appropriate date in the Date text box. Click on the first open line in the order number column and press Insert on your keyboard. Enter or select the appropriate purchase order number in the order number text box, or enter 0 in the order number text box and press Enter if no purchase order was used. For the purpose of this video, I will be creating a GRV without using a purchase order. The following message box will appear if no purchase order number is entered. Purchase order not found. Do you want to accept it? Click the Yes button. Enter the supplier account number in the account text box. Enter the supplier invoice number in the supplier invoice text box. Now you can enter the line details. Because I'm not using a purchase order, I need to enter all the details. When using a purchase order, some of the information will already be filled in. Enter or select the appropriate item number in the item number column. Enter the quantity of the items in the quantity column. Enter the foreign unit price for the line items in the F unit price column in the supplier's currency. Enter or select the sales order number that the item pertains to, if applicable, in the order column. Enter any other charges included on the supplier's invoice in the Other Charges text box. Click the Accept button. Keep on repeating this entire process for all the orders for the combined import shipment. Now you need to add the import charges. Click the Charges button. Enter or select the appropriate supplier account number for the appropriate line in the account column. Enter the exchange rate for the transaction for the appropriate line in the exchange rate column. Enter the total amount including tax for the transaction for the appropriate line in the amount column. Enter or select the appropriate tax code for the appropriate line in the code column. Enter the amount of tax for the transaction for the appropriate line in the tax column. Enter the supplier invoice number for the transaction for the appropriate line in the invoice number column. Click the Accept button. Lastly, you need to calculate the cost of the GRV in local currency. Click the Do Costing button. Check that you're happy with everything and make the necessary changes where you deem fit. Once you're happy, click the Accept button. Once you're done with everything, click the Accept button to generate the GRV. Print the Goods Received voucher by specifying the print options and clicking the OK button, or click the Cancel button to close the window. And that's how you create a GRV for a combined import shipment. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.